My name is Jen Olson. In regards to the proposed revision to Board Policy 0412 that's on tonight's agenda, I'm insulted by the elementary attempt to circumvent the Constitution. How much are we paying our district's legal counsel for this garbage? You can't just change the term forum to comment period and pretend like it changes the definition of the public's constitutional right to speak before an elected body. The term forum includes any and all allotted periods of time that a governing body designates for the public to address the board, regardless of what you call it. Also, the Code of Conduct found in Board Policy 1431 does not mention public forum or comment period. So it seems as though someone along the way understood that the 3 minutes set aside by an elected body cannot have content-based restrictions due to the fact that it violates our First Amendment right in a limited public forum. Francis Howell Families has successfully litigated their case against their district's violation of the First Amendment, and they are now in the settlement phase. This will end up costing the Francis Howell District close to $80,000 minimum. Is that the path this district wishes to take? Do you desperately want to muzzle the parents in this community for just a little while longer while we draft up similar lawsuits? The district's legal counsel, as I've said before, is inadequate. Nowhere in FERPA 34 CFR Subtitle A Part 99, as cited in the proposed revisions, does it demand protections for personally identifiable information of the teachers, staff, administration, or board members. In 34 CFR Part 99, the purpose of these regulations is to protect the identity and identifiable information of the child or the parent in regards to identifying a child. It defines in Part 300 personally identifiable as the name of the child, the parent, or other family members in regards to identifying the child. This section of regulation receives its authority from U.S. Code under 20 U.S.C. Chapter 31, Subchapter 3, Subsection 1232G and 1415, Procedural Safeguards, in relation to educational records and education of individuals with disabilities. So hypothetically, I can say I was harassed by a fellow parent, John Doe, in the stands at the last football game. That statement has nothing to do with a minor or a minor child or their educational records. Words matter, context matters, the law matters. I have emailed each of you a full text of the statutes and regulations I've mentioned. I ask this board to respect our constitutional right to free speech and go back to the drawing board to make the appropriate and constitution-abiding revisions to board policies 0412 and 1431. Thanks.